Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change auto advanced duration in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that in the voiceover, scroll down and then find the braille, then tap. Then after that in this part in the braille section, scroll down and find the auto advanced duration and then tap. Then in this part in the auto advanced duration, if you want to add the duration per second, just tap the positive sign. Just like this, located on this part. And if you want to lessen the seconds of your duration, just tap the negative sign button located on this part. Enabling Auto Advance will pan a braille display repeatedly. Adjust Auto Advance duration to your preferred reading speed. And that's it. We have successfully changed Auto Advance duration in VoiceOver on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!